I'm Katella, and we are gonna do an unboxing. These are packages that I get once a month. I thought it would be fun to open this one with you. Let's see. Oh, here you are. Here's all the ingredients it comes with. Things it comes with. And let's look at the experiments it has. Oh, this is acids and bases. So let's get started. Let's find something else. I already have one, but I have no idea where it went. It's kind of like an eyedropper, just bigger. And it has measurements on it. And a chart to measure acidity. Paper. A mirror. This is lemonade. And one more thing. Like red litmus paper. That's everything, I think. Hi, I'm back. We are ready for our science experiment. And we are going to see which one of these liquids are a base and which one of these liquids are acids. Before we get started, a few things you need to know. This red will turn blue if it's a base. This blue will turn red if it's an acid. These are very special papers. Safety first. So, let's get started. Let's test lemonade on some red. No, really. It just got lighter red. So let's test it on the blue. Whoa, look at that. See that little red? And lemonade is an acid. Yeah. Now it's very important that we clean it. Now we're gonna try baking soda on red. Oh, here's baking soda water on this red. You know what that means? Turned blue. So you know what that means? This is baking soda is a base. Now, let's try Dr. Pepper on a red paper. No. Well, it should. Now, finally, vinegar. The vinegar first we test on red. Nope. Now we test on a blue. Make it acid. Coca-Cola is an acid. Vinegar is an acid. And baking sodas. And baking soda is a base. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe and give my video a big thumbs up.